What about the men? No. You don't give the men to eat. Tomorrow no do that. Not. Baby. Thank you. Give to the men. Here, ma. Tomorrow that you know it. Daddy take a hungry too, eh? Daddy take a little bit here. Okay. This for mommy. Mommy take it easy. Vegetable is green and pretty. You wanna have a chicken, baby? Still have more, but this should be enough. Slowly collecting. Poo-poo to grow vegetable. Oh, you. Mima, go. Mommy, go up. Nay. Get out here, Mommy and Yaki.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I need to go grow my vegetable. Move.
Hurry.
No. Ah, Daddy. It's heavy, like 20 kilo. Yes, better, poo better. Careful for down, huh? Okay.
Wow.
Baby,
Ow.
I'm already water. Just put everywhere. What? I just put how to call a pack of poo for my garden. Just put here. Mimo, we already pick. I don't even use anything, just this poo only. Hey, you stop. You stop. You shoe yucky. You stop. He like to walk on my garden. He don't even know how to walk. He stay on everything. Ooh, the dirt's so hot. You don't go there. You stay everything. This one bring here, but maybe don't need. Oh, I'll try to bring this pumpkin back in here, so in case something come to eat them. They hug so tight in everywhere now. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. How I make you cry. Just go. How you go? Go here over there. Move them. Whoop, 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 whoop. Pup, 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 pup. Pup, 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 pup. Yeah. He is so naughty. Go here. Put something for them. Come to fix the dirt. Dirt too hot. Stop throwing rock now. Almost hit me. You are stopping. Hey, stop. Don't say. You play with this standing. Naughty.
Yeah.
Ah!